Hello, hi, my name is Paul Mora, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through my improved version of the support engineer recruiting pathway from Blend AI. You could see this is the clone version of the of the conversation pathway, and the purpose of this is to stimulate a recruiting AI assistant named Alex who screens support engineer candidates, confirm their details and their expected salary, and schedule interviews. However, the original version of this came with some challenges. That's the missing variable extraction, like his name, the salary, and the date. We have the webhook using wrong request method. We have weak edges conditions that cause dead or loop errors, and we have overall the prompt sound robotic and not like a human recruiter. The goal was to fix all of this to make it production ready, while every node, every prompt, and webhook flows smoothly with a natural conversational tone. So let's go. Let me zoom out. You would see on the canvas the structure of the workflow. It's a very simple workflow and a very simple structure. You would see we have the global prompt here. This is to make sure the AI Alex doesn't go off course, stays in course, and be able to handle some certain things. And we also have the global prompt, the global node. This global node um, lets us ask questions, or in case we go off topic, it narrates us back to the relevance of this workflow. So without further ado, I would love to go run you through what all nodes is here, or major nodes we have here. So we start by Alex. This first node, this is default node, the start and ask name. So we ask the recruiter, or we ask the candidate the name and the first name, and the first name and the name and last name have been abstracted at this node. And you would see the next node is the readiness node. So yes, we ask if the candidate is ready for this quick talk or they want to reschedule. If they choose reschedule, the call goes to this node and it ends. If they accept the to talk, then we move to the webhook which send post request to get the the candidate details. And if the details is available, we we ask for salary. If the data is not available, we update it with our own details, with the details we get from the candidates, and you could see it from the right side of my workflow. And finally, the Alex confirms the schedule time after being agreed on the salary. If the salary is above 500,000, we have it goes to the senior recruiter. If it's below 500,000, it comes to the booking, and we agree on the booking time, and finally that goes up. So you will see each node being explained technically, and here you would see the changes we made. So I'm going to show you the changes I made personally. Sorry. So let's come here to this webhook, which was not like this. So we gave it a post, the request is post, and we submitted the body. And for the pathway after API response, we choose the default. So in case there's a delay or there's an issue, it's this comes up. And we also add the correct header. We also add the webhook site. And for variable extraction, each node has a strong extraction rule. For example, the node converts 500,000 to numerical values. That is the salary node, and 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 its names and time are being passed formatly and consistently before sent to the webhook. You could observe it. and naturally it doesn't have a robotic sound, and it sounds fun and interesting to talk with. So next up, let me play a live recording of what I'm trying to get here. Let me show you a live recording of what I'm trying to get here. Okay, so let me play a live recording.
Hey there, this is Alex from Bland.ai. How's your day going? I'm calling about your support engineer application. Mind sharing your first and last name with me? You can spell it if that helps.
Hi Alex, nice to talk to you and nice to meet you. My name is Paul. My last name is Mora. Mora is spelled Morah.
Perfect, Paul. Is now a good time for a quick chat, or should we pick another time?
Now is a good time for a chat. Love to chat with you.
Awesome, thanks for confirming. Quick hiccup pulling up your info. When did you apply? Maybe something like early April or 2025 0415. Also, what email did you apply with?
I applied on the February 2015, 2025 February and 25th of February 2025, and my email is pauljames@gmail.com.
Got it. Updating your application to February 25th, 2025, and email at pauljames@gmail.com. Thanks for clarifying. What's the best email to reach you at for scheduling? Great, thanks for that. Before we move forward, I'd love to confirm your annual salary expectation in USD. A rough range is fine. We're offering 400K, 500K OTE plus equity.
I would love to be earning more than a million.
Perfect. I'm connecting you with Crystal, our senior recruiter, to discuss compensation. One moment. Hi, Paul. This is Crystal, your senior recruiter at Bland.ai. Great to connect. You mentioned expecting around a million per year, totally fair for your level. Our top OTE for this role is 500K, base plus bonus plus equity, and it's a strong package with fast growth. Does 500K work for you? Just say yes or no, or let me know what you're thinking.
Yeah, 500K works for me.
Awesome, Paul. Love that we're aligned. When works best for you next week? Just toss out a day and time, like Tuesday at 2 p.m. PST or anytime Wednesday. I'll make it happen.
Tuesday, 9 2 p.m. PST will be fine.
Great, thanks for the flexibility. How does Tuesday at 10 a.m. PST work for you?
Fine, that will be fine by me.
Perfect, you're all set for Tuesday at 10 a.m. PST. You'll get a calendar invite with the details shortly. Any final questions before we wrap up, Paul?
No, no final questions. No questions. I'm good.
Yes, Paul. I'm so excited to get you on the team. Talk soon. Can't wait.
So this is a very, very great uh, workflow. As you see, this sounded human, sounded cool, sounded interesting. I almost got lost there. But now, so I'm going to explain some edge cases here. So you see, if the user give an unclear input, like half a million, we have a reject extraction that still normalize it to 500,000. Or and if there's an invalid date, we have sometime next week, or the Alex politely will prompt to get a clear date and time. And you see if the user is not ready, Alex ends the call gracefully. And so these are some edge cases I covered in this workflow, and all conditions make the workflow, and all these conditions make this workflow very real life scenario. And so this is functional, this is logical, structured, human sounding, resilience, and everything. So thank you for watching. I am Paul Mora, and this is my final support engineer recruiting path, pathway for Bland AI. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.